very good. Okay, so let's start with our crafts. Before we do the crafts, I'm going to show you the materials we need. We need a paper plate, a push pin. It's okay if you don't have it. If you have it, you can do it. If you have any other pins that can work for it, it'll be great. We need a bunch of crayons. So it's gonna be cool. A glue stick. Okay, a glue stick. We need paper rolls. And we need papers. Alright, let's start with the bag. Instead of crack, we're going to make special crack. Easter crack. Because these are coming up in the spring. Okay, we're going to make a bag and a cool egg that have a ship inside it. Alright, the first one we're going to do is the bag because it's the easiest of all of them. Okay, let's start making the bag. First, you see this paper. Well, we have to get one of the white paper and wrap it around it. We have to find the right kind of size for it. Instead of, you see this, we will do like a fold. Like this. And as you have it now, you just squeeze it. And next you have that crease. And next you have to cut it out. Snip, snip, snippity, snip, 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 snippity, snipperio. Got the snipsy done. Now, you see this guy? We have to roll it up. But wait, see, there's a kind of, like there's a top off. So let's cut this top off. If we want to get this right, we have to get this sheet and kind of like trace it so we'll know where to cut. Okay. Draw a glue line on there, on the paper first, and next we're going to stick it attached. We have some cool glue. Now we got the glue right, so let's stick it on the paper roll. And now let's wrap until this. Next, we just have to glue it carefully. Okay, now let's glue it quickly. Boom, 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 boom. Got some glue. Now time for a great part. The greatest part of all of them. Stick it! Zoom, zoom, zoom. We stick it! Yeah! Now, that's not the only part of this cool little baggie. Also, the other part of this cool bagger is now we have to just design the face, ears, and the holder. Alright, let's get our third piece. And let's get the second piece and fold and get the little folded piece of it and unfold it and cut it out so we'll have a handle for our cool bag. It's going to be a bunny one. There's also a stick one, but I'm just going to make the bunny one today. The bunny piece is all about bunnies. Like bright-tailed bunnies, the cottontails. The cottontails are cute because they live all around the world. Okay, ta-da! Now we have to glue these pieces onto this bag like this so we can have it. So let me glue it. Got one glue, now let's get the other glue. Some gluey glues. Now let's put this paper aside and glue them. Ta-da! A bag! Now we're meeting so much things. We are missing for the greatest part of all, adding eyes, ears, and legs. Okay, the eyes we're going to use are using crayons and drawing with paper. Okay, I'm using glue for my eyes. One eye. Another eye. I'm drawing eyelashes. For girl, actually. And next we'll draw a little tiny nose. And now let's draw the mouth. The mouth. Now let's go back to the earsies. She's holding. Boom, boom, boom. But in the real one, if we'll put the Easter egg in it, but we don't have Easter eggs. So we could put anything you want in it, but there's a hole on the bottom, so you could find a way to stick it. But I'm not going to use it. Okay, so now let's do the earsies. Okay, so now let's get another sheet of these and just carefully fold like this and fold like this and get some ears done. Okay. And let me use a crayon again and draw some ears. Okay, let me get my scissors and cut them. See, little bunny ears. Okay, now let's glue them to my. Okay, I always try to get a head start. We don't want to put all of the way because if you put all the way, it'll look very bad. First, I'll do one ear, and then I'll do the other ear. It'll take a very good time. Now, there one ear. Now time for the another ear. Got the ear. Now let's draw the feet. The ear. Now let's draw the feet of our bunny. The feet is kind of same like the ear, but it kind of bigger oval shape. Alright, let's get this thing. Okay guys, I already cut down the feet. Now let's add them to our cool bunny. I call him Bunster, the pencil holder. They may look different, but if we just fold it for sometime, it will be good. There, we fold it. Now, look, the feet are there. Now let's draw the other feet of our bunny. They may look hard, guys, but that's the easiest project you guys ever done in your life. Look, the little bunny done. Now, let's put this on the side. See, it even stands. Now, let's do the sticky guy. You got this paper plate. I told you we need a paper plate. You see the edges? They don't look like kind of an egg, so we'll cut off some of the edges. Okay, but now I drawn an egg shape. Now let's cut it out. See, we got the cool eggy. Now let's color it in. Okay, I got lots of kind of different colors here. I got pink, I got blue, I got red, I got red on, I got violet, I got kind of like a violet reddy thingy. Orange. A scarlet. I got some yellow, I got some yellow green, and I got some pink kind of. Okay, so let's start coloring again. There'll be different colors I'll put. First there is this kind. I know it's not the kind of bright color. Okay, so now let's color the west end. There's also lines still. So let's fast forward the video. Look, we finally got our egg. Now let's cut it. It has to be triangle shapes. I'm professional. Sorry guys. I'm a water professional. Let's draw some. You have to cut the whole way. I know what you're thinking. We should not cut the whole way, but we have to. We're going to put the push pin at the end. Ta-da! Done! See? We got it. All cracked up. Now we'll put these to the side. And now let's draw a cool sticky guy. Alright, we need this marker and let's draw a shape of it. Let's draw some hair. Spiky hair. Now let's cut down our shape. I know it looks difficult, but it's actually very easy for this kind of project. I picked some easy projects because if the easy ones, they'll be great. You got little ones, but I'll promise I'll do some hard projects. Okay, kids.